Hello, my name is Daniel Yuck. Thank you for joining today. I appreciate you, your time, and your support. In today's video, I want to touch base and talk a little bit about tattoo pricing. I want to show you some tattoo designs and I kind of want to give you an estimate on what I feel this tattoo is worth and the reasons why. Hopefully by the end of this video, you can click away with information that you could apply on your end when searching for a tattoo or charging for a tattoo. Should you have any questions at any point throughout this video, I encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube. I have Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, all under Daniel Yuck. I would appreciate the support over there as well. With that being said, let's get right on into this. Before we get into the video, it's important to note that this is not by any means a pricing guide or how to price. I'll go ahead and touch base on that in another video. For this video, my goal here is to raise awareness on the fact that pricing in the tattoo world will definitely fluctuate from artist to artist. Even if an artist has the same style, they're going to be taking different variables into account when pricing a tattoo. Every artist will price differently, and it is important to note that. Let's start with number one, and I encourage you to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you feel these price points are. Let me know if you feel like I'm pricing them too high, too low. I'm eager to hear your feedback so that we can help each other figure out better, healthier price point systems. Now, starting with number one. One thing that I'm noticing is that this is a Yu-Gi-Oh design. This is Blue Eyes White Dragon. For me, Yu-Gi-Oh is near and dear to my heart. It's something that I grew up watching. I can also tell that this tattoo is applied cleanly. So you're going to see some observational notes here that I put off to the side. The tattoo is applied cleanly. It does have color. The tattoo has multiple line weights, and it does have smooth shadings and transitions. It is also a decent sized design as well as a custom design. When we get a one-off design, which means a design that's specifically designed for a client, we can anticipate that the artist is going to put that into the account of the final price. So that will be a variable that will contribute to the final pricing of a design, especially if it's one custom for each person. So therefore, I feel like artists do charge for custom pieces a little bit more than they would have, let's say, for a flash or something that was created on their downtime. You kind of get my drift with that. So these are variables that I'm considering, from multiple line weights to the color to how clean the tattoo is applied, the transitions. I feel like this design right here, considering the size, the placement, and everything that went into it, it probably was around the price range of $200 to $600. Keep in mind, I'm not saying that I'm right with these price points, because it can be definitely less or much higher, to each their own. I'm not here to kind of bark on prices. What I'm here to do is relay my observations and let you know how I feel pricing systems work when it comes to tattooing. I do feel like for this Blue Eyes White Dragon, $200 to $600 is a healthy price point. Let me know in the comments section down below if you feel like that's too low or too high, and then let me know for the rest of them that we're going to be reviewing here. Let's go ahead and move on to number two. So number two is going to be a sort of Snorlax design with some sort of customization on the body of the Snorlax, because I really don't see that often. That had to have either been designed by the artist, customized, or requested by the client. Either or, it's still custom to a person, so therefore I have a feeling that that would be considered in the last final price point. Now, some things that I'm noticing about this tattoo, much like the first one, is that this tattoo is also applied cleanly. It also has color. It also has multiple line weights. It does have smooth shadings and transitions. It is a decent sized design. I think that this one may be a little bit bigger than the Blue Eyes we just looked at, and this one's also going to be custom, is where I'm leaning more towards. For a design like this, with the detail, with the technical precision, with the placement, and with the size, I feel like this price point would start at around $350, maybe up to around $600, give or take. Please note that I could definitely be wrong about these price points. This is just where I feel the ballpark is for these tattoos that we're reviewing here today. So I feel like this Snorlax number two would be anywhere from $350 to about $600. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Let's move on to number three. So number three is a bit different. We can see that it has no color. It's not any sort of anime design. It's in fact a number design with a little bit of lettering, some banners, and some sparks. If we take a look, this design has clean saturation, it has very clean, smooth light shading, and it also has clean line work within the little sparks there. Now, all in all, I do feel like this is a well-rounded, cleanly applied solid tattoo. Let me relay a little bit of my observations, and then we can come up with a price point. So I feel like this tattoo is cleanly applied. I do feel like the tattoo has very smooth shading and varying tones as well. I do feel like the line work is also clean and applied nicely as well. I do feel like the transitions in the shading is also very smooth, and I do also feel it is a decent sized design. This design looks 110% custom, which again may be taken into account in the final price point from the artist. Designing a design custom to a client definitely is a bit more difficult, or a lot more difficult and tedious to do, and there's a lot more hurdles that we have to get through. So I don't see why that wouldn't be considered in the final factor. Now, with those variables and observations that I just relayed, I feel like the price point for this tattoo right here and this design would start at around $400 to $600, depending on the artist, how long it takes. You get the idea. But for me, looking at this picture, I would say that this client probably paid around $400 to $600 for this tattoo. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Let's take a look at number 4. So number 4, we can see, is a larger tattoo over the ones that we've currently reviewed. Now, there's going to be the same sort of variables to consider, but with a little bit more. So allow me to relay some observations on this design right here. So number 4 is, I feel, cleanly applied. It does have very smooth shading, also with varying tones. It has nice smooth textures as well as smooth transitions from like one darker point to another. It is a large size design, and it is a custom design is kind of what it looks like to me. Now, this would also be a longer tattoo session to apply, just simply because the size of the tattoo. So off the bat, these are observations that I would consider when applying a tattoo. Now, since this would be, I would say, maybe like a sort of sleeve, so to speak, it can be kind of measured that way. Not a full sleeve, but it could be maybe seen as half a sleeve or something to this extent. Because of the size, because of the quality, the technical application, and the way the tattoo was executed, I feel like the price range for this designer here was anywhere from starting at $700, probably all the way up to about $2,000. Now, I know that may seem extreme, maybe a little too high, or maybe a little too low. Let me know in the comment section down below how much you would pay for this tattoo right here. Another reason why I say that this would be anywhere from $700 to around $2,000 is because it does have a nice white work in it, highlights as well, which really makes this design look a little bit more realistic and have that wow factor. I feel like that is also something an artist would consider in the final pricing of their tattoo. So that, I feel, is going to be number 4, anywhere from $700 to $2,000. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Let's move on to number 5. So we can see number 5 is going to be lettering as well, and it's going to be on the abdomen area. We're going to see that number 5 has a lot going on. So there's a lot to consider with a design like this, and I can tell this is going to be a custom design as well. Allow me to relay some observations, and let's get to the pricing system here. So the tattoo is applied cleanly. There's no doubt about that. The tattoo has smooth shading and varying tones. It does have clean, bold line work that's executed wonderfully. It does also have smooth transitions, and it is also a larger size design, and as I mentioned, it is a custom design. So I feel all of these are variables that the artist is going to consider when applying this or when charging for this tattoo. Now, the price range for this tattoo, I feel, would be anywhere from $700 to also $2,000, just because of the customization and the size of it. It will be a longer tattoo session, and it is on the stomach, which could be a harder placement. I also feel like if we select a spot that's a bit harder to tattoo, that's also going to be considered in the final pricing. The harder the spot is, we can anticipate to pay a little bit more for those areas. So that's what I feel for number 5, anywhere from $7,000 to $2,000. Could be more, could be less. It's all just, speculation. This is all just opinion based right here. So that's number 5. Let's take a look at number 6. Okay, so number 6 is definitely an interesting and fun one. I'm a big fan of it. I do love how these colors work together to create this sort of like blurry effect, this sort of like X-ray type of effect. Now, obviously we're using colors. We're using a sort of blue color and a red color. So some artists do charge more when using color versus black. Every artist is different. Let me relay some observations, and then we'll get to the pricing system here. I do feel like this tattoo is cleanly applied. There's no doubt about that. This tattoo has color. It is on the forearm placement. It has clean line work, and it does have clean color packing. Like the color is nice and saturated. There's not any patchiness going on. It is a decent sized design, and I'm almost confident that this is going to be a custom design for this client right here. Considering these variables, I would say that this tattoo was falling in the price range of anywhere from $400 to $800, give or take. I may be off a little bit, but I feel like this is a right ballpark for this specific design. Let me know in the comment section down below what you would pay for number 6. Let's take a look at number 7. So off the bat, number 7 is going to be more on the realistic side. In my opinion, from my experience, what I've seen is if an artist specializes in realism, those are typically the most expensive pieces I have ever seen anyone charge for. I'm assuming because of the ongoing learning that's required to get to that sort of caliber. On top of that, the work that goes into producing realistic results. I'm pretty sure it's excessive, so therefore the prices are going to be more when it comes to realism type of works, in my experience. Now, allow me to relay some observations and we'll take a look at the pricing system here. I feel like this tattoo is very cleanly applied. This tattoo definitely has clean shading, and it is on like the sort of arm bicep placement. It does consist of clean line work along with textures. It's also a decent sized design, and I feel like this is also a custom design right here, customized for this specific client. It's also in the style of like realistic. So off the bat, what I feel this tattoo is going to be starting at or finishing at would be anywhere from $500 up to $1,000 for this specific design right here. Again, I'm open to the idea that I'm wrong. However, from my observations here, anywhere from $500 to $1,000 sounds about right for this tattoo design right here. Let me know in the comment section down below what you would pay for number 7. Let's take a look at number 8. So we can see that number 8 is a bit more on like the simplistic traditional end. Let me relay some observations. We'll get to the pricing system. So for number 8, I can see that the tattoo is applied cleanly. I can see that the tattoo does have multiple line weights. It's on the leg, and that's where the placement is. It has clean line work, clean shading, and it does appear to be a decent sized design. It does appear to be a sort of maybe flash or a custom design. I'm kind of 50-50. It could be flash, it could be custom. It's hard to say. Now, it is more on the simplistic end with a little bit of floral, record player, and it has bold lines with a little bit of smaller line weight. So it is more on the simplistic end. All of this is to be considered, I feel, when we're going to go ahead and come up with the price for this. Now, for number 8, I feel like the price range would be considered about $350 up to about $500. I really don't see any less than around $300, $250, or any more than $600 for this design right here. I could be off. I'm open to that idea. However, I feel like number 8 best sits within $350 to about $500 price point. Let me know in the comment section down below what you would pay for number 8. Number 9. So number 9 off the bat is going to be placed on the head, which is a very difficult spot to tattoo. So I feel like that's something any artist is definitely going to take into account when coming up with the final price. Let me relay some observations and then we'll go ahead and take a look at the pricing system. Some observations that I came up with for number 9 is the tattoo is cleanly applied, no doubt about that. The tattoo has very smooth shading. It is on the head. It does have clean line work and nice clean black packing. It is a decent sized design as well, and I'm almost confident that this is going to be a custom design. So all of that is to be considered. It could have been a longer session as well. Everything is considered. Every artist also considers different variables. This isn't by any means something that every artist considers. Every artist works differently. Please remember that. For number 9 though, considering those variables, I feel like the price point for this specific tattoo is going to range from $500 starting at, and it could have been at around maybe $1,000 to about $1,500. I did put $1,000 for my speculation because that's how I see this tattoo being played out. Because it is on the head, it is a custom design, it's nicely applied, and it does have a kind of a lot going on within like the shading of the lettering. I can see this being a little bit more on the expensive end. Again, the price range ranging from around $500 to $1,000. Let me know in the comment section down below what you would pay for number 9. And number 10. 10 is the last one right here that we have, and we can see this is a large back piece tattoo. This tattoo has a lot of clean variables to consider. So let me relay some observations and we'll get into the pricing system. Now, this tattoo is applied cleanly. This tattoo also has very nice textures. It is on the back, a full back piece. It has clean line work, clean saturation, and it is large in size as well. And I feel that this design is falling more on the custom end, kind of tailored to this client's back. So all of that, any artist I feel would consider. Considering the size, considering the technical application, how well it's applied, and the design and all of the details, shading, textures, considering everything that we can, this would also have been a longer session. I feel the price point for number 10 is going to be starting at $700, ending at somewhere around $2,500. Please keep in mind, I'm open to the idea that I'm wrong about these price points. That's why I'm excited to hear what you feel. Let me know down below in the comment section what you would pay for number 10. Me, I feel it's starting at around $700, ending at around $2,500. I feel like this would be a great place to conclude this video. I'm very eager to hear how you feel about tattoo pricing and where you would price these tattoos at. So I encourage you to please drop your comments down below. If you have any questions at all, I also encourage you to drop a comment down below. Rest assured, I'm going to do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. That'll be it for this one. Thank you for watching and I appreciate your time. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. I have social medias under the same name. I have Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, all under Daniel Yuck. I would appreciate the support over there as well. With that being said, I appreciate you and your time. You have a great day. Are you needing or wanting tattoo guidance? What about 4K high quality step-by-step follow along tattoo sessions? Or maybe one-on-one tattoo support to get answers to your questions that are specifically tailored to your wants and needs as the artist? You can now become a Patreon where you will gain access to high quality 4K exclusive step-by-step follow along tattoo sessions. I will be tattooing with you in a one-on-one step-by-step manner where I will be explaining what I am doing and why every step of the way. I will also be doing this in a high quality 4K format for your optimal viewing experience. On top of the one-on-one support and on top of the step-by-step tattoo session guidance, you will also gain access to exclusive tattoo stencils that you can download and place on your end to further develop your skill sets. I will leave a link for you in the description or in the pinned comment section below, or you can head on over to patreon.com/Daniel Yuck. When you become a Patreon, you will be getting one-on-one support where you can ask me as many questions as you'd like that are specifically tailored to your wants and needs as the artist. You will gain access to exclusive tattoo stencils that you can download and practice on your end. You'll also gain access to exclusive high quality 4K footage where I walk you through each and every tattoo session in a one-on-one step-by-step manner where I explain all the what's and why's along the way. Become a Patreon today. Thank you for your support in advance. I greatly appreciate you. Are you wanting to develop your tattooing skill sets? Now you can practice and develop anytime, any place with an assortment of tattooing workbooks that I've created. With these assorted tattooing workbooks, we can practice our basic lining all the way to advanced lining. We can practice shading, shading placement, dot work, textures, and more. All we are going to need is a tattoo workbook of mine. We can use a pencil, pen. We can even use a tattoo machine with a ballpoint cartridge to develop our tattooing abilities further. That means that we don't need tattoo ink, we don't need napkins or petroleum jelly to get to practicing. Simply open one of my tattooing workbooks and get going. It really is that easy. You can get your hands on one of my developmental tattooing assorted workbooks by simply clicking the links in my description or in the pinned comment section below, or navigating on over to Amazon.com, typing in Daniel Yuck, and you'll see all of the assorted tattoo workbooks that I've created come up. If you have an Amazon account, be sure to follow my Amazon author page as well, as I would greatly appreciate your support. Should you have any questions at all, drop them in the comment section down below. I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. With that being said, let's get right back into this video.